To create an account on a mobile application, you click sign up, then you fill the form. So the first name Stanley, the last name I'll use test. Then you select your dates of birth. Then you enter a phone number 24444333. Okay, so this will be our phone number. Then we enter a Ghana card ID. So H dash 7777777 dash 4, and then we would continue the next page. We enter our email address, Stanley test at Gmail. Then our place of residence, we choose Jolu. Then Ghana Post address, 123 an occupation, student. Then we proceed to account verification. I'll skip this step to the next step. Continue. Then we set our password. So we enter 1 2 3 4, and then confirm password 1 2 3 4. So you click complete to create an account, and then you are in. So you can view account details from account details. agent1@gmail.com, and then agent password 1234 1234, and sign up. Then we enter the agent's name to agent1@project, and then position agent, and then we click sign up.
There's a timer.
Then we are in. Thank you. I'm about to demonstrate the connection of two devices. So we have two devices here. Here we have Daniel here, and here we have Stanley. So, and then we have agent 1 sign in, and then agent 2 also here. So I'll first try. I'll first call with Stanley. So let me initiate the call. Okay, so our call is okay. So our call. Okay, our call was assigned to agent 2. I'd like to demonstrate in a video aspect, so you could see me here. Yes, you can see me here. So our first call was assigned here. I'm going to hang up this call. So after hanging up the call, from the agent side. The agent is given some time to upload the information, so the agent would enter the type of case. Is set to default at default. So you have accidents, theft, and fire outbreak. So the case fire at Malata. And this is the user's ID, the status of the case assigned, and the resources. That will be the recording of this call. So the location where the user called from, and this is GPS. This is a GPS address. So here you could either check or uncheck if you want. If the agent wants to be tracked in real time, you can view the agent, the caller's location on the Google Map. So I'm at the industrial area here at the office, and we can report the call to the police of our service. So that will be for the first call. So whilst this agent is signing up, I'll also try with the second phone. So when I call from here, okay, so as you can see, the call is assigned to the second agent, that is less busy. I can also turn on the camera. Hello. Let me recall. There should be a problem with this WebRTC connection. So one here. Okay. This is agent one. So let's call again. Okay, so as you can see, the video and hello audio is working for the second agent. So I'll also pause this here, and if you should add a third call with this phone, 1%. So let me mute. If I should call with a third phone, the call comes in from the server. Yeah, it comes and then the switches. So
please stand in line and you will be attended to shortly. All our agents are currently busy. Please stand in line and you will be attended
so
to
immediately
shortly. All our agents are currently busy.
the first
Please
agent
stand in line and you will be attended to shortly. All our
the
agents
moment
are
the
currently
first
busy.
agent becomes
Please
less
stand in
busy,
line.
this current call is assigned to him. So this is the current call we are having now. Since the agents became less busy, then this call is assigned him. So I'll close this. Yes, so that will be that for the calls. You can verify here from the Ghana card ID here. The Ghana card ID. Sorry, the Ghana card ID is the Ghana card ID provided. So the call just reassigned to agent one. So you can hang this up. And So we would proceed to reporting the course. So we have the fire service department logged in on this specific system. So I'll report this call and then see the results. So the case the case has been submitted here. You can view the live location of the callers, the callers details, standing test, the ID card, and then the video recording. So these are the recordings from the video earlier. So this all that was recorded. So I can replay the video that was recorded earlier from our call. Okay, so this report and then this is the agents. Only their voices are recorded. Okay, this is the camera was recorded. So this from the agent that was recorded. Okay. So this goes to the agency and then they attend to it. So I'll hang up. Okay, so this the information of this specific device, as I explained the devices already, it has a device ID, the coordinate, the location, the type of device, the person who owns the device. So this Pavilion is the one who owns this device. And let's go back to devices. Okay, so the reporting agency and then the status here is up. Okay, so when I save this device, you would want to view our reports over here. Let me refresh this page to get something to do. So let's go to the device. This an IoT device. We have a fast sensor here. And we have an ESP8266 board here which connects to a Wi-Fi. So the board is currently connected to the Wi-Fi, and then that's the middle main which is communicating. So we'll test the flames feature of the device, and we'll turn this on to get power, and then we'll trigger the sensor by turning on this lighter. Okay, so the alert is sent to the fire service, and they can view the details of the owner of the person who owns the device, the location of the device, and then they can also view the exact location on the Google map. Here's the location of the device now. So this will be the end of the presentation. Thank you very much. Okay, so here at the database level, I'll take us through some of the entities. Okay, so we start from the types entity. So here we can upload this list. We have file service, file outbreak, sorry, theft and accident here. So we can add more cases to it. So the ID, you can give it maybe type.
So I should try when this
type disaster here, and then type disaster, and then I save. So this is added to our entities. Anytime an agent wants to report an issue, he'll find this and can also go to status. So currently I have rescued, pending, flagged, and attending to and have assigned, and then I can also add more status. So I can also delete some if necessary, and then departments. So the departments are created over here. We enter department ID, name, NI, your contact info, and then a logo. We update a logo, so I can choose this as a logo, and I'll save. So if I should log in with this department, you can try that now. Department. Sorry. Department. So I'll do 103, and then NI, and then the logo. I chose a random picture as the logo here. So this is for this department, and we can go back. So I can delete this. Delete this department. Select the department. Go. So and then the modes of the call. So we have audio call, video call, test, and then alerts. And from here we also have a department, device messages. So this is how the broadcast messages are sent. Sorry. This for messages. Sorry, this for messages, and the broadcast messages are sent as broadcast messages. So if I should send any new message, name, help, this help. Okay, and then the date, today, now, the sender. Sender, and let's say 1 here, the level, how agent name is 1, and receive. So if I should go back to any of the mobile applications, and then I log out, and then log in. It's not appearing. Check the notifications. I would try that on this phone. So again, so 0276 92 73 1 2 3. Okay, so our new message appears at this side. It's not really clear, but sorry. We have So we have help. Okay, so we have it here to help from the back end. So so that's that for the broadcast messages, and all the cases are recorded here. So the case data is kept in the database, but the routing and everything is done with Redis. It's cached, so the routing does not come to the database. It's only the cases that enter the database. Okay, so we can now go to devices. So devices, let me go to resources where our recordings are kept. This is how our recordings are kept. Resources is given a case ID, the callers recorded media, and then the agents recorded media. So they are recorded and stored on the server, then this system, to be precise. So you can delete and you can save, or you can edit this information here. And you can go to devices. So this is how the devices are created, the IoT devices. The device is given an ID, the GPS coordinates of the device, the location. Let me send this here. The location, so address, the type of case this device will be reporting. So if I use here theft, for instance, and then the owner of the device. So I can choose any of the user IDs, then the name of the device, smart attendance, the agents this device will report to. So I can have here you enter the department code, so I can do 10001 and the status online. So then I save, the ID. So I save and the device is stored. So these are the devices are created. So if you should want to issue an emergency alert with a device, you use the device ID to identify the devices, to know the owner and then the location. Yes, so that's how the devices are made. And our cases are here. Our users are stored here. So we have the users information here. Users information here, and then the users authentication credentials are stored here. So they're identified by their phone numbers, their emails, and then the hashed passwords over here. So you can see it's active and it's not a staff. And then we have the staff's information to at this side. Okay, so that will be for the back end.